As a student enrolled in Bella Beauty, you'll always find dedicated support through your online studies. We are committed to guiding you through every step of the way on your path to becoming a beauty professional. The tutor support team is there to assist you 6 days a week to help you with any questions or concerns that you may have. Our beauty tutors are all equipped with diverse beauty qualifications and previous experience running beauty salons. They will assist you with both the practical skills and knowledge required to thrive in the beauty industry. This assurance allows you to be confident not only in our dedication to helping you successfully complete the course, but also in our commitment to helping you master your new skills to the best of your ability. Be assured that you'll complete your studies well prepared, whether you're considering launching your own business or gaining employment in a salon. Our goal is to ensure you're stepping out into the beauty industry with your best foot forward.